In our previous video already we discussed about some of the indicators like natural indicators, synthetic indicators and olfactory indicators, and also activity 1 and activity 2. In this video we are going to discuss about one of the chemical property of acids and bases. They are reaction of acids and bases with metals. For testing this, here I am taking some arrangements. So they are, first take a retort stand and clamp the test tube to the retort stand and pour a quantity of dilute hydrochloric acid into the test tube and add a few zinc granules. Zinc is a metal, okay? Zinc metal granules to the dilute HCl. Now close the test tube with a single hold rubber cork and pass the delivery tube to this rubber cork and send the delivery tube into glass trough which contains soap water. And here when come into the test tube, here we observe some changes in the test tube after some time. Children, can you guess what are the changes can we observe in the test tube? Here the effervescence will come. Here we observe the effervescence. Effervescence means bubbles. Okay. So why the bubbles are formed in the liquid, in the acid? Because here the zinc granules are reacting with hydrochloric acid and they evolves the gas. So here the effervescence indicates the gas is evolved in this reaction. So pass this gas through delivery tube to soap water. A gas passes into the soap water. Here the bubbles formed. In the soap water the bubbles are formed. So at that time bring the lighted matchstick or candle at the mouth of the trough. We will observe here the candle put off with pop sound. Children, by this hint, can you guess the name of the gas which is evolved in this reaction? Yes, the name of the gas is hydrogen. Okay, the hydrogen gas only put off the candle with pop sound. Okay, so now I'll write the chemical equation for this reaction. Here hydrochloric acid is reacting with metals. Acid is reacting with metals and here it produces ZnCl2. This is the metal salt. This is the salt plus hydrogen. Okay. When acids react with metals, they produce salt and hydrogen gas. So, not only one single metal. If you take any metal, when acids react with any metal, they produces hydrogen gas. Then this is about acids. Now we move on to bases, how they react with metals. In this test tube, instead of dilute HCl, now you will take concentrated NaOH for getting good results. Okay. So here also we will observe, in this case also we will observe the effervescence comes in the solution and this effervescence also indicates the gas evolved in this reaction and the gas again comes from delivery tube to soap water and here also again it forms the bubbles and when we bring the lighted candle near to the mouth of the trough, again it put off with pop sound. So this also indicates here also the evolved gas is hydrogen. Okay. So the reaction is NaOH plus Zn gives sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen. Okay children, this is the equation for in the case of bases. Here also the hydrogen gas was evolved, but with all metals the hydrogen gas does not evolve. Okay, with few metals only. When few metals react with NaOH or bases, then only they will produce hydrogen gas. But in case of acids, when acids react with any metal, they give hydrogen gas. But in bases, when the bases react with a few metals, then only they will give hydrogen gas, not with all metals. This is your lab activity and activity 3. Children, I hope you are perfect in this lab activity and activity 3. Children, now I am going to explain about one more chemical property of acids. That is acids, the reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. For your better understanding, here I am explaining this by taking with an activity. Okay, take 2 retort stand and clamp 2 test tubes to 2 retort stands and label first test tube as A and second test tube as B, and you place 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate into test tube A and so 0.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate in test tube B. Now add 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid into both the test tubes. Wait few seconds. Children, after few seconds, here we will observe the effervescence comes from the test tubes. In both the test tubes, we will observe the effervescence. If effervescence will come, what does it mean? It indicates the gases evolves in the reaction. Okay, here one gas is evolved here. So this we are sending this gas into lime water through delivery tube. Similarly, in this case also we are sending the released gas into lime water through delivery tube. So in both the cases we will observe that the lime water turns into milky white. Children, can you guess which gas turns the lime water into milky white? Yes, it is carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide only turns the lime water into milky white. In both the cases we observe the lime water turns into milky white. Means in both the situations the released gas in this reaction is carbon dioxide. Okay, now I will write the chemical equation for these reactions. Look here, in first case the acids are reacting with carbonates, metal carbonates. Then here we will get NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. If you balance this equation, here we have 2 sodiums. So you place 2 here and here 2 chlorines. So again you will add here. So now you check once again the equation balanced. And next, in second case, in the case of test tube B, what is the equation? NaHCO3 plus HCl means NaCl, which gives corresponding salt. Here metal is sodium. The corresponding salt for this sodium is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. By this, what we understood, ma'am? When metal carbonates react with acids, they produce corresponding salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Similarly, metal hydrogen carbonates, when they react with hydrochloric acid or any acid, they produce related salts and water and carbon dioxide. Now I am writing the general formula for these 2 cases. In case of metal carbonates, so metal carbonate plus acid, it gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Similarly, in second case also, when metal hydrogen carbonates reacts with acids, that gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Okay children, I think you understood this activity perfectly. Okay, this is the activity for identifying the reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay children, now in this video we clearly discussed about reaction of acids and bases with metals, and similarly reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. For knowing more chemical reactions of acids and bases, keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.